Google Keyboard settings on Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Go to settings, go to general management, then go to keyboard list and default. If you have a Google keyboard, you will find it in this list. So simply go to the list or the Google keyboard if you have one. In my case, I have a Samsung keyboard. And from here, you will be able to change its feature like predictive text, text shortcuts, theme, mode, and many more. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.